Welcome to today's class. Let's solve this past question on how to name organic compound. So let's say I give this in an exam. How do you possibly name this? First things first, our rule 1 says that count the longest continuous carbon chain. So this is one carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 carbon atom here. So for 6 carbon atom, call it what? So call it what? Hexa. So that's 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So rule 1, 6 is hexa. Rule 2, this is a functional group. It's a single bond all through. Becomes what? An alkane. Why an alkane? Because this structure are of single bond. Rule 3 says that identify what's it called? The substituent. In this case here, I have bromine and chlorine as my substituent, right? And being having 2 substituents, I have bromine and chlorine. Arrange them of a particular order. Bromine comes first before chlorine. So I'll name bromine first before chlorine. So now here's the thing. I'll do my numbering such that I'll have the least or lowest possible number to bromine. So if I take this is 1, 2, upper numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lower numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now my bromine is attached to carbon 2 using upper numbering. Similarly, bromine is attached to carbon 5 using what? Upper numbering. Lower numbering. In between upper numbering and lower numbering, which one has the least or lowest possible number? Of course, is what? My upper numbering. So I'll discard the lower numbering and go with what? The upper numbering. So bromine is attached to carbon 2. So that becomes what? The 2 bromo. Next up, chlorine is carbon 4. 4 chloro. Next up, hexane. So this is how you name this compound. So this compound is called 2-bromo 4-chlorohexane. So that's the name of this compound. Alright, you can try to name this yourself and leave me an answer in the comment section. So I'll reply you if you are wrong or correct. So try to name this compound yourself. So try to name this compound on your own and leave your answer in the comment section. So I'll reply you if you are wrong or correct. So name this compound. So actually I've done a video that explains how to name compound, a full course video. So you can visit my website to purchase the course, right? So to learn organic chemistry from scratch. All right, see you in the next class.